Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas, and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called patterns. So, how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. This chapter, patterns, is from NCERT syllabus, chapter number 10, class 1, subject Maths. First, let us see the innovation behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. The innovation is to use attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, students should answer the questions according to the theme instead of saying present. So, these are the innovations behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. So, what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concepts of patterns such as shapes and numbers. So, this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? We are going to implement by using attendance as a medium for learning. For this, inform the students, today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, when you call out the roll number, you should not say present. Instead of saying present, you have to find out the missing numbers or missing shapes which is written on the board. So, for example, roll number 1, Priya. Call that particular student, Priya, nearer to the blackboard. Ask her to find out the missing number by observing carefully the patterns, the shapes which is written on the board. So, in this way, continue the process till all the students find out the missing numbers and shapes. So, in this way the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance? The learning outcomes are the students able to count objects from 1 to 9. The students able to work with numbers from 1 to 20. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students records information and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with learning disabilities can improve their learning process with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.